Hey everybody. So I got this around. I got my second part of my. There's more coming tomorrow. I got some of my tech kit today. Today's Monday, and I got it around 12:30. So the bummer part about that is I didn't even know it was outside because I assumed I'd be signing for things. And so when I happened to check the tracking this afternoon, it said it was delivered. So I'm like, I didn't sign for anything. So I went to the front to see if anybody else signed for it, and there was nothing out there. So I checked my back driveway, and sure enough, there's a pile of packages in my back driveway that nobody knew was there, which would have been really sad if it was stolen. And this is a lot of money for this gear that we have. So, not happy about that, but I'm happy I got it, and so I'm going to do some unboxing today. Probably more into the middle of the week. I'll probably put stuff together because, like I said, only some stuff came. Like, I don't know if the stands, I know the stands came, so I'll probably try to put one of them together because I have the lights. We'll see about that. If not, I have to look at some YouTube videos on how to put it together first, and then get back to you guys. So that's going to be a whole thing. Don't mind the phone, it's just telling me I have emails. So I'll put together what I know how to, like I did the C-stand. I had to check YouTube videos to see how to put that together. But yeah, so let's get started. So right now we have the Manfrotto camera bag, backpack, which is cool because we got the Porta Brace camera bag, and we saw my video before. Pretty much I'm going to use that for extras. So we got this, and has two arm. Once you can hide them if you're using one shoulder strap. So that's what I'll be doing because unless it's really heavy, which I won't know until I actually get my camera and gear in there, is I'll use both. But I'll be using the one strap across because that's the way I feel most comfortable. And then that's just me. You'll be putting the stuff in here that's just you. Like for instance, up top, the whole thing. You can use it. These things here have Velcro all around the front and the back of the top have Velcro. Oh, no, the front has Velcro, and then right here, in the middle here, is Velcro. Here's your pockets. All right. Sorry, I was watching TV. I forgot to put it on mute or pause it. Then you got up here, you got a mesh pocket. So let's close that up. And you have a bunch of pockets outside, which is cool because you have a lot of stuff to carry. All right, pocket here, pocket here. Here is a pocket, but let's see. I think this goes to the inside so you can be able to grab gear out. Like the top pocket, you can put your camera in there for quick access. See? Doesn't open all the way, you just need it enough to grab your gear. You can use it for your drone, camera bag for your drone, or you can use it for just photography, for your camera, and your video camera. So, let's see here. Got a lot of zippers going on. Velcro to keep things secure. A lot of clips. Let's see. Can you open it this way? And you have access to everything in your bag. In your camera bag. Let me see. Fix this. So, as you see here, yeah, I already done this thing. That's why it erased somehow. So I've already done an unboxing. That's why the stuffing's out and everything. But I see why people have so much trouble with this. So you can wear it like this, like this. I'll be wearing it like this, you know, so that way I'll be able to get my gear out my side of my pocket of my backpack. That's the way I'll do it. And here it shows you can wear it, you can do it for camera, video. If you have a drone, you can use it as a drone. You know, for me, since I'm just starting out, I got a camera for Christmas. It's a Canon EOS T7. So I'll be putting that in here with my, you know, with my Blackmagic that comes. You know, and you got some this stuff in here. This velcros to the side. You know, yeah. You got some separators. So this is just the pocket, and you know you can put your earbuds in here, or even pretty deep in there. You know, chargers for your charger for your phone. You know, put your phone in there. I guess you know what I mean. Like I don't know yet till I actually get everything and see what my style is, because everybody's style is definitely going to be different. Like when I get everything, I'll show you what I'm going to put in there to start, because as your business or whatever it is you're doing grows, your backpack's going to change. That's going to be a definite. I already put this out, but this is a raincoat for your backpack because your backpack is water resistant, not waterproof. And if you happen to be taking shots outside, you know, you want something to protect your gear. So that's what this is in here. When I used it, I put it on and I didn't have anything zipped up and tied down. So I'm gonna do a shot of that, a video of that, how that looks later on. Okay, and these things come out, and you can do it any way you want to. Like for instance, let's get everything out. Let's just see. For instance, this stays, of course. Okay, let's do it where everything's like this, just to see how that looks. Like, you want to put your lenses here. I think that goes like that. Now, lenses there. I don't know. So you can do anything you want, pretty much. I have other stuff I want to get to here. I don't want to make this too long of a video, but I'll show you how I do everything when everything is when I get everything in there. Because like I said, I already did this shot, did this open box for this already, and that was a lot to do there. But I think the clips on the side, somewhere around here, it's supposed to hold. I think it's here. Hold your tripod. You know, one of those little ones. I don't think it's gonna hold a big one. You know. So we'll just close this up and get to our next item that we got. Okay. So that's awesome. I like that. I like that it's sturdy. I like, you know, these cords here. Sorry, let me put this up. I like that it's sturdy. I like the color. And it's pretty heavy. I mean, it's not heavy, but I bet it's going to be heavy when I put my gear in. I like these here, so you don't have to sit there and try to hold the zipper itself and possibly break it. So I like those catches there. I guess I'll figure out what this is for. which I don't know yet. Yeah. Somebody knows who's going to be watching. If you know, just let me know. Alright, so next item up is a Forvatec. This is the Studio Pro LED softbox light modifier for the 600 LED panels. And I broke my nail, so that's the thing. So I'm going to fix my camera so you guys can see me do this. Sorry. I'm bringing down my camera a little bit here. Sorry, everybody. All right. That didn't work out like I wanted to. So. I'll be using my camera probably to do this, but like I said, I just got that, so this is a learning process. Like I have a gaming channel, so I know how to do it for this. But yeah. So this is the Forvatec. This is it's all Velcro. This is the cover for it. I'll open that up when I put together the light. But yeah. That's what that is there. Reflectors inside. So. Yeah, pretty nice. Looks like it's going to be sturdy enough. Not much to say about them. But we'll see how it is when I put it together with the light box. And then I got the 15-pound saddle bag. It's from Impact. It's pretty heavy. I've already opened it once, but it's one zipper on the outside and there's another zipper inside. And then it's a bag full of sand. So, and yeah, that I can use as a weight if I want to lift weights. I could use that. And then I believe this is 10 pounds. Let's see, there's a tag on here from Impact. Yes, it looks like 10 pounds. I want to believe that's what it is. And I believe that's 10. That's it doesn't sound like sand, but there is no way for me to open it to tell. So yeah. So that will keep down the light stand for you. Alright. So let me get the next item ready for you guys. Pull this back. Alright, so let me open the box and I'll be right back with you guys.